how to fix GTA 5 textures not loading easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here background apps and then scroll down until you find background apps, and now you will find it like that. You can just close all the applications that you don't need, or you can turn off all of those just by turning off the first option like that, and that's it. Then just go back and now go to system, now go to tablet, here tablet mode, and click never use tablet mode, and then go to notifications and turn it off. Now your problem must be fixed. After that, just restart your PC and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.